Parents, are you tired of your kids playing Fortnite? Well, I got something even better than Fortnite for them. It's gonna make them smarter. Research tells us it's going to double their chances at winning a Nobel Peace Prize. It's going to engage their total brain, and it is learning an instrument. Here we have this wonderful thing called the Indianapolis Children's Band. Now, the Indianapolis Children's Band is open to kids of all ability levels from 1st grade to 8th grade. We have levels for kids that don't know anything about music. We have levels for kids that have just gotten into learning an instrument and they want to accelerate their learning, be part of a bigger group maybe. Or we have ensemble for kids that have had a year or more playing under their belt and they want to be part of a kind of a bigger honor band type setting. So we'd love for you to join us. If you'd like some more information, visit our website at childrensband.org, and you can see more about our groups and sign up. Registration is open now until September 8th. Let's get those kids off of Fortnite and onto a skill that they can use for their entire life. Hope to see you there.